सो जैसे ही आप एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म सबमिट करोगे, आपको कंपनी की तरफ से कंफर्मेशन मेल आ जाएगा। एज यू कैन सी हियर, थैंक यू फॉर योर एप्लीकेशन, हाय अजय। सो इस वीडियो को बिल्कुल भी स्किप मत करना, वॉच इट टिल द एंड टू अंडरस्टैंड द एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस। आपको कैसे अप्लाई करना है, सो इस वीडियो में हम पूरी डिटेल में देखेंगे। एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस प्लीज लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू यूट्यूब चैनल। So let's begin with today's job update. So the company name is Hyland. So Hyland is a software company जो कि US में based है, and they are hiring for the post of cloud specialist, and the salary here you can expect is up to 60,000 per month. And the job location is going to be completely work from home, so both fresher and experienced candidate can easily apply for this application. So let's see the job role and responsibilities. So as a cloud specialist, यहाँ पे आपका काम क्या रहने वाला है? So you will be working as a technical support. So basically you will be resolving the queries related to networking configuration, security and performance in the cloud environment. So basically you will be resolving these queries. So इसमें कौन अप्लाई कर सकता है? So if you have a bachelor's degree from any stream, then you guys can easily apply for this application. And this requirement is you should have a good communication skills, and you should be a multitasker, and you should have a basic knowledge of problem solving. And it will be plus if you have the basic knowledge of process improvement and the solving the issues. So these are the basic requirements. So let's see आप इसमें कैसे apply कर सकते हैं. So just scroll down and here you will see how to apply for Hyland, and here just click here to apply. So I will put the link in the description as well as in the comment section. वहाँ से आप easily apply कर सकते हैं. And if you haven't applied for the Amazon and the Accenture, so जल्दी से जाके apply कर लीजिए. All the links are in the description. So let's see कि आप इसका फॉर्म कैसे फिल कर सकते हो. जस्ट क्लिक हियर टू अप्लाई. यू विल बी डिरेक्टेड टू द ऑफिशियल पेज. नाउ हियर जस्ट क्लिक ऑन अप्लाई फॉर दिस जॉब ऑनलाइन. सो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू फिल आउट योर ईमेल आईडी. यहाँ पे अपना ईमेल आईडी फिल कर लीजिए एंड जस्ट क्लिक ऑन आई एक्सेप्ट एंड क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट. So the application form will appear. Now you have to go through the 5 stages. The first one is here you have to fill out your basic details. First you need to upload your resume. In the login, just write your email ID, fill out your password, and enter your information. Here you have to fill out your name, your middle name, your last name, and here just write your phone number, your address. Okay, and just click on submit profile. Okay, so after this there will be employment application section here. So are you eligible to work in the country? Just select yes. So here just select no. Are you at least 18-year-old? Just select yes. So position information, from here you can select part-time, full-time. So in the additional information just select no, no, no. Okay, select no. And now here in the education, just fill out your education details like your college name and the degree you have and the current and most recent employer. So here just type NA and here write your name, click on I accept and click on submit. So after this there will be some candidate questions. So you have to answer it as per convenient. Like please list any language are you fluent in. So यहाँ पे से जो भी language में आप fluent हैं वो type कर सकते हैं. Are you willing to relocate? So here select yes or no. So are there any additional location you are interested in working? Okay, so from here you can select remote opportunities. Please provide your annual salary expectation. So यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से. So have you ever worked for Hyland? Just select no, no. And so do you have a valid work authorization in the country? Just select yes. And after this just click on submit application. And here you are getting some EO questions. So here just scroll down and from here select your gender. And here select Asian and click on submit. Okay, so after this here you will be getting some job specification questions. So how did you hear about this position? From here select social media. If further please specify, just select Instagram and click on submit. After this just click on advance to next form, click on submit. And the last one is the voluntary self disclosure. Now here just tick this mark, I don't want wish to answer, and just click on submit application. And here just select no, I don't have the disability. Just click on signature and click on submit. So as you can see here, the application form is successfully submitted, and within 1 to 2 hours you will receive the confirmation mail from the company that your application is successfully submitted. Okay, as here you can see, dear Ajay, thank you very much for your recent application, and your resume will be reviewed by our recruitment team. Okay, so once you receive the confirmation mail from the company, it means your application is successfully submitted. If your resume gets shortlisted, then only they are going to mail you for further process. So make sure your resume should align with the job requirement or the job skills requirement, and you should add those skills in your resume so that the chances of your resume to get shortlisted will be higher. Okay, and if you find any difficulties while filling out this application form, or if you had any other question, do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.